mga kaibigan, ayan mga kamag-anak. Ngayon naman ay mag-unboxing tayo. May dumating po akong package from Amazon. Oh, ano yun? Ayan. Tips. Ito na. This plant stand is machining of natural wood and does not use any paint or chemical materials. So when it rains or wet day, may cause the product moldy. It's normal. In this case, please wipe it with a wet cloth and then dry it. You can use it with confidence. Made in, wala nyo, syempre, China. Ayan guys, this parcel was ordered by Andrew Vashan, of course. It's a gift from him because I don't have much space for my plants anymore. I have lots of plants, so he bought me this, guys. So let's see kung anong klase. I don't know what's this. Ah, guys, I think I know this. I think it's hanging. Oh, this guy. So i-assemble ko pa siya. I need to assemble it. And these are the plastic, the material that you're gonna use. Ayan. So, meron ding free shovel. Tapos, may panghalukay. And, ganito siya, guys. Oh, I see. Now, I see. And, of course, there's a free gloves. Okay, and this is the manual, instruction manual. Ayan. So, we have the instruction manual. Ay, my gosh. So, I need to assemble it. Ayan. Give me something to do, Mr. Pasyan. I just finished cleaning my small aquarium. And of course, may kasama siyang pamukpok. Ayan, there's a small hammer. Wow. Okay, so all we're gonna need to do is assemble. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope I can make it. I hope so. So this is the manual. Ayan. Instructions how to make it. Oh my gosh. Use rectangular upright and connectors to install 22 sets of accessories. Ayan. When installing, please towards the connector to the same direction. Ayan. Assemble 11 partition shelf. Oh my gosh. This is, I think, I'm having a headache now. I'm tired. I'm tired by just looking at it, but let's see. Let's see. So there should be a letter. Bakit ganito? 3, 4. So these 4 pieces. And there's 3 in the middle. Oh, hi. In the middle of the sea. Hi. Gosh. Okay, guys. Since I'm alone here, and of course, I'm the only one who gonna do it. So, ano, bukas na lang. Sige, antabayanan nyo, guys. So, yan o. Diyos ko, mahirap to, guys. Binigyan ako ng trabaho. Ayan. Oh, mahirap to ah. Kailangan ano, eksakto siya eh. Binigyan ako ng trabaho. Yan. Kailangan mag-isip-isip din. Tapos yun. Yan. Para hindi mahulog yung ilalagay natin. May tibay ba kung asahan? Ganyan. Parang ano. Lagyan natin ulit. Wood talaga siya. Gusto ko yung magandang kulay lalabas. Discard din. Ano? Gusto na lang mali yung kaso. Ano? Hindi na ako nababala ba? Tapos dito ka na ba? Okay, so ano yun? Tapos, makaba. Kaya nga naging makaba. Ay, makaba. Ay, makaba. Balik isa. Ay, dali ah. Yan. Tapos, next is, ganun pa rin, ng ganito. Guluhan na pa. Dahan-dahan lang natin kasi nakakabasag. Ay, nasobra na yata. Then next is kailangan lang. Sige, forward my break. almost done, guys. Ayan. Ay. Ganyan mo na. Kailangan mo like everything. Because you're the only one who can do it. So, and of course, you need to be patient. Ouch. Da-da-da-da. Here it is. This one. And there we are. Here's the next one. So it's done, guys. It's done. See? So it's done. Same, right? I made it! I did it! Oh my gosh. So there's an extra, just in case maybe if you break something, so you have an extra, guys. There's an extra. Yeah, for the future. It's nice, guys. So this is Asan's Adventures and Travel. Thanks, Mr. Henri Vachon, for buying this for me, for my plants, of course. And yeah, you're right. This is very useful to my plants, okay, because I'm running out of place to put on the pots. Okay, thank you very much. And guys, please subscribe. I have already 7,500 subscribers, and I hope that I can get 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan, yoo-hoo! Nice, very nice. Very nice. I made it! Yay! Finally, I did it. So that's the plant stand that Henri bought for me. Thank you very much for this. I assembled it by myself, and of course, I'm proud of myself.